best hand crank phone chargers are vital for emergency power, especially during outages or outdoor adventures, ensuring you can charge devices without electricity, stay connected, and maintain essential communication. My today's video is about top 5 best hand crank phone chargers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at FosPower hand crank phone charger. The FosPower hand crank radio and charger comes with a 2000 mAh battery that can work as a power bank to charge your devices. The battery can charge using the solar panel provided, by using the hand crank, and also by using the USB cable. The emergency crank, when rotated, will generate sufficient energy to power the 4 LED reading lights and a 1-watt flashlight, the radio, and for charging purposes. The radio service allows you to tune into your favorite radio station and weather forecast alerts. The FosPower charger has IPX3 water resistance certification, protecting the product from rainfall. There's also an SOS alarm that makes a loud noise upon pressing. Now our second product is DaringSnail hand crank phone charger. The DaringSnail hand crank phone charger comes in handy as an all-rounder when there is a power cut in your area. The added features like weather forecast alert, flashlight, and 2000 mAh power bank allow you to keep your mobile charged with decent battery life. You can charge with the product from 2 different sources, the solar panel and the hand crank charging to the Li-ion battery. It takes about 3.5 hours to charge the radio crank charger fully. The DaringSnail crank charger is compact, so it fits perfectly in a pocket. With a spin of 130 rotations per minute, the phone crank charger can light the flashlight for 18 minutes and the radio for 6 minutes. Our third product is Eton Red Cross. The special feature of the Eton Red Cross radio charger is that it has a multifunctional digital radio and an alarm clock with a display. The product features an LED flashlight and a visibility beacon red light. On rotating the crank, the product charges at 1.5x the normal charging speed. The Eton crank charger broadcasts emergency weather alerts in your surroundings. The product is compact, and you can carry it around anywhere. The hand crank generates enough electricity to power your smartphone by connecting it to a USB charging cable. 2600 mAh rechargeable battery acts as a power bank to charge your smartphone. You may directly tune into 7 environment weather bands of FM/AM/NOAA digital radio stations and stay connected worldwide. Now number 4, Kaito KA500 5-way powered solar power. The Kaito KA500 is a 6-way powered hand crank phone charger and radio through solar panel, USB, rechargeable battery, 3 AA batteries, and external adapter. The antenna increases the sensitivity of the radio signals up to 14.5. The product features 2 bands of shortwave and 7 bands of the weather forecast, sports, and news channels around the world. The product is made with strong ABS material that is shockproof and water resistant. The analog display has an LED indicator for pinpoint accuracy. The hand crank charger can charge other devices such as GPS trackers, audio players, cameras, and more. The built-in speakers provide clear audio quality along with a 3.5 mm jack to plug in your headsets. And our last choice is Pplee emergency weather alert radio. The Pplee crank charger and radio are loaded with a massive 5000 mAh battery that can charge your smartphone and other electronic devices. The product is powered through 5 different options, from USB to hand crank. You may spin the hand crank at 2 spins per second to generate up to 350 mAh of power. The Pplee crank charger features a 3-watt illuminated flashlight and a 2.5-watt reading light. It also has a 3.5 mm audio jack where you can plug in your earphones and an adjustable antenna for clearer audio output. The bigger knob helps you to tune in hassle-free to your favorite channel, from sports to weather forecasts and alerts. The product provides great reception for FM/AM/shortwave radio signals. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.